Welcome to today's video, where we bring you the most innovative and practical gadgets to upgrade your vehicle. From enhancing your car's functionality to ensuring your safety on the road, these top 10 car accessories are a must-have for any car enthusiast. Stay tuned as we dive into the features that make these products stand out. 1. Max Cover 180 Retractable Canopy. Friends, today, I want to introduce you to an outstanding car accessory that will not only improve the functionality of your pickup truck, but also add a stylish, sporty look to it. Max Cover 180 Retractable Canopy. The main trick of this canopy is its unique double lift design. In the normal position, Max Cover is tightly adhered to the body, without giving away its presence. But if you raise it by 45 degrees, you get an additional luggage compartment. And if you lift it up to the maximum 180 degrees, the whole cargo compartment of the pickup opens in front of you. At the same time, the designers made sure that when fully folded down, the Max Cover remains firmly locked without creating a safety hazard. The unique anti-moving system locking system holds the cover securely in place, preventing it from moving around unintentionally. Streamlined shapes not only look stylish and modern, but also improve the aerodynamics of the pickup truck, reducing fuel consumption. And strong composite materials with fiberglass additives provide durability and resistance to all weather conditions. 2. Mobile Sliding Stainless Steel Carport. The Mobile Sliding Stainless Steel Carport is a unique solution to protect your car from all the vagaries of the weather. This accessory creates a reliable shelter for your car, protecting it from rain, snow, scorching sun, and strong winds. Thanks to its thoughtful design and durable construction, the canopy can withstand serious loads and will serve you for many years. The main advantages of this mobile garage are its mobility and ease of use. You can easily unfold or assemble it in a matter of minutes, without the use of special equipment and help of a second person. At the same time, the carport is very compact when folded, so it will not take up much space on your plot. It is worth noting the exceptional strength and durability of this design. Its frame is made of high-quality stainless steel with thick walls, which provides it with increased resistance to deformation and corrosion. Additional protection is provided by a special water-resistant canvas, which withstands any weather disasters. This mobile canopy is really versatile and suitable for installation on almost any surface: concrete, soil, tile, and etc. Its dimensions allow you to shelter even large vehicles like pickup trucks and SUVs. 3. S-Light Emergency Warning Light. You are looking at the S-Light Emergency Warning Light. If you have a flat tire, run out of gas, or have a breakdown on the road, in such cases, it is essential to keep yourself safe and warn other road users. This emergency light is characterized by bright LED emission, which is visible even at a distance of up to 200 yards. It is perfectly visible both during the day and at night, as well as in bad weather conditions. Thanks to the reflective signals, the shape of the flashlight resembles a traditional emergency triangle, making it even more noticeable. The sturdy magnetic base allows you to quickly and securely attach it to the back of your car, trailer, or even a bus, and the flexible adjustable light housing provides an optimal angle of illumination at driver's eye level, and the S-Light is fully waterproof, making it safe for use in all weather conditions. It is perfect even for use on the water. Having a bright emergency signal light in your car will allow you to feel protected in any situation after all. 4. Pace Edwards Ultra Groove Electric. A true discovery for pickup truck owners. The Pace Edwards Ultra Groove Electric is an electric pickup truck body closing curtain that will add convenience and safety to your vehicle. The first thing that catches the eye is its stylish and modern design. The Ultra Groove Electric comes in a black color with silver inserts. It is perfect for any pickup truck and will harmonize with its design. One of the main features is the electric actuator. It allows you to open and close the body with a remote control, which is very convenient, especially if your hands are busy or you are away from your vehicle. It is equipped with an automatic locking system. Now you can be sure that your cargo will be safe even if you leave the car in a parking lot. The Ultra Groove Electric is also equipped with a water protection system that prevents water from entering the cargo area when the curtain is open. It is made of high-quality aluminum, which is non-corrosive and highly durable. 5. Connect Plus. Imagine a convenient footrest on the rear of your van or minibus. It makes loading and unloading much easier and makes it easier to access the roof for various jobs. But that's not all. Connect Plus combines the functions of a footrest and a parking sensor system. Thanks to innovative plug-and-play technology, installing Connect Plus is a breeze. Simply disconnect the original sensors from the car and connect them to the new footrest via a special cable. Then, plug the connector into the car and the whole structure is ready to go. The parking sensors will signal you about obstacles behind you as usual, but now the footrest itself will also be within their range. This eliminates the possibility of damage to the accessory when reversing. So, what benefits does Connect Plus bring you? Firstly, safety. You can park freely without worrying about damage to the body or footrest. Second, savings. No complicated wiring modifications or extra costs. Thirdly, versatility. This solution is available for the most popular van and minibus models. 6. Stayhold Compact Safety Shovel Mini. I present to you a compact shovel that fits easily in the trunk of your car, backpack, or even in the glove compartment. This small but incredibly functional shovel can solve many everyday tasks. Stuck in the snow? No problem. The Stayhold Compact Safety Shovel Mini allows you to quickly free your wheels from snow and ice. Need to clear snow or ice from the windshield? The special rubber wings on its blade will do the job in minutes. Unlike bulky conventional shovels, this compact model will always be at hand when you need it. Its small size allows you to store it in the most unexpected places, in your trunk, backpack, or even under the seat of your car. Compact size, multifunctionality, and affordable price make this product a must-have for everyone who values practicality and preparedness for any situation. 7. WDT 250 Vehicle Gutters Cleaner. You are looking at a tool for cleaning vehicle gutters. This professional tool is approved and tested by the Volkswagen Group. It is specially designed for effective cleaning of the drain holes in the sunroof area of the car roof. Clogging of these drains with leaves, dirt, or other contaminants can lead to leaks and serious damage to the interior of the car. Therefore, timely preventative cleaning is essential. The WDT 250 is simple, but at the same time it is a truly high-tech device. Its working part is a flexible wire rod with a length of 2.5 meters, covered with a special lint material for gentle but effective cleaning. The tool is flexible and can penetrate even the tightest bends and radii of gutters without scratching the inner surfaces. At the same time, the material has a high fracture strength. The whole construction is driven by a conventional cordless drill. I also note the versatility of WDT 250. It is suitable for most car models and can be an excellent additional service in any professional car service. 8. Cargo Trunk Organizer. You see a wonderful cargo trunk organizer that will help you keep your car in order. This product is a flexible, non-slip mat with high edges. Thanks to the special structure of the bottom surface with teeth, it is securely fixed to both the carpet and the rubber covering of the trunk, preventing the load from shifting when moving. Simply place the cargo organizer where you want it and load it with whatever you need to secure: groceries, tools, paint cans, flower pots, and more. The high sides keep things from falling out or rolling around in the trunk. Moreover, cargo organizer can be bent and shaped to create compartments and dividers for easy sorting of cargo. Now nothing will rattle, scratch, or lose its appearance on the road. The organizer is made of durable, long-lasting material, and its compact size allows it to be used even in small trunks. 9. Ram Mounts Torque Universal Holder. A useful and practical accessory from the renowned company Ram Mounts is the Torque Universal Holder for attaching various devices to tubular structures. Its construction is designed to tightly grip any round pipes with a diameter from 3/8 to 5/8 inch. The accessory has a ram-sized ball mount system with a 1-inch rubber ball. It can withstand serious stress and vibration, ensuring a secure hold on your gadget. At the same time, you can easily change the angle of inclination, rotate your device, choosing the optimal position. For maximum compatibility, Torque includes special spacers of different sizes. They will ensure a perfect fit of the mount on any pipe in a given range of diameters. The body of the holder is made of durable composite plastic, resistant to impact and temperature changes, and the nylon locking nuts ensure that the mount will not come loose even under intense shaking. Get this versatile and practical accessory today. It will make any trip more comfortable and safe. 10. Undercarriage Cleaner with Ramp. Unique undercarriage cleaner with ramp. Sometimes everyone has to spend an agonizingly long time cleaning the undercarriage and underbody of a car from dirt, salt, chemicals, and other harmful substances. It's a long and labor-intensive process, but with the undercarriage cleaner with ramp, it's much easier. This compact, yet incredibly powerful washing system will quickly and effectively remove any dirt, protecting your car from premature corrosion and breakdowns. It is made of stainless steel and is designed for intensive use. Despite its compact size, it can be used to wash everything from police cars to loaded concrete trucks. The Undercarriage Cleaner is powered by Mossmatic's unique hydraulic system, which requires no electricity or special equipment. All you need to do is apply a pressurized stream of water, and the powerful rotating nozzles do all the work. The washer can even handle hot water up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a versatile and cost-effective solution for large fleets of municipal or truck equipment, as well as for private car owners. Effective underbody cleaning will save you from costly repairs once and for all. That wraps up our roundup of the top 10 car gadgets that can transform your driving experience. We hope you found something that suits your needs and adds value to your vehicle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. See you in the next video.